Eventual Angel has really scooted home in the first race. Well done.
Yeah, thanks, Sean. A bit of a surprise. She's obviously a nice filly, but she was very green, and she won a nice race at the end.
It's nice when they come through on debut. She was slow out the gates, and between the 6 and the 400, she just started to pick them up smartly.
Yeah, like I said, she was just green to start off with in the parade ring. Yeah, she was looking around, but she won a nice race. Just good luck to Darren. It's our first runner for him, and good luck to Dennis, and thanks to Sean.
Well done.
Thanks.
Let's get the winning rider, Sean Cormack, who's booted home the first race winner, the daughter of Right Approach. Firstly, how's the course out there?
Yeah, I think the course is good.
Now, getting back to this filly, she was slow out the machine, but she really picked them up smartly.
Yeah, 5 furlongs always hard to make it up, when they're a little bit slow away, but she's obviously, got a little bit of ability, and, she hadn't been tuned, so, looking at the field, she had a fair chance, but, once you get left like that, and she went down a little bit green, so, she's come through at the end of it, doing everything right, but leading up to it, it was a little bit nerve-wracking, yeah.
You got 2 very nice rides to come, a horse called Captain's Chronicle. He should enjoy the turn.
Yeah, I think that's what he's looking for. He shows a lot of speed, but when they quicken, he's battling to quicken with them. So I think he's looking for the extra ground, and he's not a bad sort. He's quite a nice little horse. And then obviously Takeoff at the back. I think this is what she's looking for. She's looking for that sort of trip. She's been out sprinted in her last 2 starts, off slow paces. So I think this is what she's looking for.
Thanks for that feedback.
Thanks. Well done to Darren and his partner, and obviously to the boss. Thanks.
Let's get Darren Marks in here, the winning connections. Coming to the course, obviously with first-timers, you never know what to expect. And when they came out the gate, you must have thought she's going to come on from the run, and the next thing, whoop.
Yeah, the instruction basically, well, the feedback that Dan gave us, we were just going to give her the run, and that, from a baby, we thought she had ability. And I say well done to Dennis, and thanks to Stu. Great run from Sean. And let's just thank my partner, Max. And we're going to dedicate this to his dad, Tommy, who just gone to hospital yesterday, and I'm very happy.
Enjoying your racing at the moment? You've got quite a few runners?
Yeah. It's a long haul, and I love it.
All the best with this filly for the future.
Thanks very much. Cheers, Sean.
Well, you've got to take note of this performance, still very green in the running, but from that 400, when she started to click into overdrive, she just sewed the rest of the field up, and that's it.